thought it was gone, didn't you? Nope. I'm right here. Okay, so what was that talking about? Red Lobster. They got you in this tent. The tent is small. Enough room for about 10 people. Maybe 10. Looked like they had 2 servers. I knew then when I was in trouble. I videotaped it. The mess. The videos came out not so good. The lighting, because we were in the tent, wasn't so good. I try to get out a little more, but it's just me. I like to cook my own food, and especially now, you don't know if these people really came with a fever. Would they really tell you? Would they really tell the cook of the day to go home? Or is that cook back there cooking your food? Never know. Right? So, that's why I don't know. I have to check it out. Check her into that. Especially because I know how to cook. And I don't mind cooking. You know? And then when I go out, quick, it's going to be a hamburger. I don't do, well, I try not to do red meat. Before I became a YouTuber, this is all I ate. I just hate when this stuff's thick. You know, you got a big old chunk of meat, and then it's stuck to the side. Come on. They ought to be rotating this stuff or put it on sale if it's going to stick. You know? If it's going to stick, put it on sale. You know? Then you know what you're getting. They know doggone well this stuff is old. They got to know. Okay, so I was talking about the housewife. I've been all over the place with this video. Yeah. And how the ratings are really low. So I don't know. Maybe we just didn't know to tune into it. I don't know. Maybe they're waiting on Portia to come. I think she wasn't in. I don't know if she was in the first ones or not. But anyway, maybe a lot of people didn't know it was on. Because that was a big gap between season 12 and season 13 now. You know? People were watching the other shows now. People got another show on Sunday. Well, I don't know. Anyway, I even gotta get into it. myself. You know, my mind gone. Trying to get some food, cooking clean. And then after I do finally get some food, I said, okay. Then after I wash the dishes, get the house back in order, I said, okay, now let me see what's going on with these videos. Don't forget, I got about, I think I was at 95. My thing shows I have about in the 50 video. But I had 95 already. Accidentally deleted them. Well, they're in that Easy Store box. I gotta go get them out of the Easy Store. So if I could sit here long enough, pull up video, I got over 100. So I missed my first milestone. Shame on me. No celebration for me. That's what I get. Here I go. I'm trying to make some room. So I could get that 100 video. Child. Such is life. Such is life. So, I'm steady putting them up. Because I'm not worried about it. Because I got them. I just don't have them up. I'm over 100. Well over 100. Okay. Okay. I see. Ooh. It's a big old claw. So, this stuff is good. How ratchet. I done took my lemon out of my shrimp cocktail and eating it with my child. Just ratchet. Just ratchet. Okay. All right now. You see that strawberry delight over there? Melting. Then melted all the way down. Just how I like it. That's just what I'm looking for. You would think the cake be soggy? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Sarah Lee not gonna play with you. That thing is good there. Make sure I eat all these Jonah crab claws because I had them here once before. They can get warmed up again. That's what's up. I hope you guys are commenting on what's up. Tell me what's up. All these YouTubers that are out here doing their thing. People coming out with merch, butter sauces, everything. Y'all doing it. You're doing it, you guys. Congratulations. All you YouTubers that are doing it. Good job. Good job. That's good. Now I gotta go over to Amazon and make me some purchases. Go check it out. You know? That's just awesome. That's just awesome. Really awesome. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. Welcome to What's Up Wednesday. Welcome. I'm so happy. So happy you came. And you've been here before and you came back now. Thank you. I really appreciate it. That's what's up. If you've been here before, you already know what you're getting into. The first time, you may not know what you're getting into. But the second time, that's what's up. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Really, really I do. I really, really, really do. I have learned a lot. But oh boy, I got a lot more to go. So just hang in there with me. Try one of these shrimp cocktails. They just calling my name, going Dee. They're still there. What's that? Is your mouth watering yet? Mine, yeah. shrimp are just right. Just right, just right, just right. Just right, baby. Okay. 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 I'm like, all right. I got a good crack on it though. Oh. Comment below. Let me know what's your favorite part about Christmas. What's your favorite part of Christmas? Is it the food? Is it the gift? The weather? The morale? What's your favorite part? Ooh, yeah. That's a lot. Let me try this with some avocado. See, can I get my avocado out of there? Oh, there it is. Look at the avocado and the garlic, horseradish, and ketchup. Avocado, baby. Yes, Lord. Avocado, baby. I could hardly sleep knowing I made some shrimp cocktail with no avocado. Oh my God. I didn't mean to put my big forearm up. It's hot. It was delicious. I'm gonna get started with this here soon. Look at that. Look at there, look at there. Look at there. Look at that. Look at there. Ooh-wee. Look at there, you guys. Look at there, look at there. That was pretty good. This right here. Bing! This baby is good with the avocado. This 1, 2, 3 shrimp cocktail sauce is all you want. Put that in your life. Look at that dripping. About to drip on you. Today, if I had another ham, I would ring that bell. I only got this one. No more hands left. Don't worry, before the camera cut off again, I'm getting to that strawberry thing. I don't want to put 3 parts to this video. They say that our numbers are up high for the Rona. So you guys, I keep saying, wash your hands, put your mask on. Come on, you guys. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Or we could be around for New Year's, the next Christmas. Just every day, you guys. I hate to put this crab down, but it's gonna take me too long to get through it. And I want to get to that dessert for you. I'm gonna take a couple bites of that dessert and come back. Okay. How about that? That's cool, huh? I'll take a couple bites of my strawberry supreme. That's what it is, a strawberry supreme. Put my bucket over here somewhere. No, this is not my normal jazz. When I was doing my cooking, I just put it on some jazz. Here is my one that jams. The Bruce Springsteen, the boss. He got one Christmas song that jams. Oh man, he jams. Bruce Springsteen, I don't know the name of it, but I know when you go to Bruce Springsteen's Christmas songs, it's the one there with him with a red cowboy hat on. When I get done with this, I'm gonna go to that. I'm gonna put it on for myself. I don't know how good I feel with this up here. Look at that thing there, girl. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Man, oh man, oh Chevitz. Man, oh man, don't you want one of these, guys? You want one of these? Look at that. It's going all the way down. Don't worry about the cake being soggy. I like the Sara Lee pound cake better than I do the little cupcakes. Because you think this is soggy? Not soggy. No ma'am. No sir. This is good right here. This butter sauce. I put my foot in this butter sauce. I'm gonna eat that. Rest that crab, rest that butter. Here's my chair. Strawberry. There. Ooh, look at there, look at there. Trying to get me a piece of cake so I can show you. This thing is not sour. I think I could get it. There you are. Look at there. 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 I know you want some, don't you? Look at there. Is your mouth watering yet? Mine is. That's what's up. That's what's up. Mm-hmm. Oh my God. The way I justify this is that I don't put any sugar on the strawberries. Remember how you used to cut the strawberries up in a bowl and put sugar? Come back in about 20-30 minutes and have your shortcake? I didn't put sugar on the strawberries. I was going to say, are they singing on my jazz channel? I got jazz on, you guys. I try to turn it down. For those of you that don't want to hear it, you could just turn your TV down just a little and you won't hear it. But for those of us that want to hear it, you could turn your TV up. Till you feel me going for those bells. Well, it's almost 12 o'clock. 3 minutes to 12. I'm not going to go for the bell. Because if messy boots have the nerve to come to my door, it's going to be some yellow tape, y'all. Messy boots better stay over there. Oh, yeah, you guys have to mix it up. When it gets all yucky looking on the outside, that's when it's good on the inside. When it gets messy on the inside, oh man, this is good now. Yes, sir. Mm. What y'all know about that? After the dam. You know, that's when it all goes down, y'all, after the dam. Hey. Thank you guys for coming by, being part of What's Up Wednesday for Dee Dee's Main Thing. I'm so glad you came to Dee Dee's Main Thing. What's Up Wednesday. Don't forget what's up. What's up was little Lord Jesus lying in that manger, lying in the hay. Don't forget the reason for the season. Don't forget, okay? It is what it is. Try to be nice. Try to be kind. That's very important. That's very important. To be nice and be kind and polite. You better be polite, nice, and kind, or somebody may just knock your block off. Okay? So that could be very beneficial to start being kind. Okay? Just be kind. This strawberry delight is truly a delight. This thing here is delicious. My grandkids seem to think I can make a mean lemon cake, but this strawberry delight thing ain't too bad either.